And Jamaica's netballers, who claimed silver at the just concluded CAC Games in the Dominican Republic, returned to the island on Sunday. The team, comprising mainly under-21 players, went down 56-49 to arch-rivals Trinidad and Tobago on Friday. Head coach Nardia Hanson says despite the defeat, she was pleased with the team's display throughout the tournament.
I am very proud of my girls. They gave it their all throughout the 5 days of competition. We see them growing each day. It's just unfortunate we came up against a solid, experienced Trinidad team. You know, they already sent their juniors to the CAC Games, so we had to face them. My girls did not back down from it, and they stood tall.
Hanson says the players will get some time off before turning their focus on a series against England later this year.
Well, they're just going to get 3 weeks off, the end of the August, and then we'll just go back into our preparation. Naturally, we're going to start with some conditioning work because we did fell short with that. So we're just going to start with that, and then we'll take it from there. In November, December, we should be playing the England Next Gen, which would be their development squad. They should be coming here, so we're going to prepare for that tournament.
Senior player Kimon Shaw says while disappointed, she was proud of the fight shown by the Young Sunshine girls.
Yes, disappointed in the sense that we didn't win, but out there I definitely saw heart, and I definitely think that we all give it our best, and so I'm definitely pleased with that.
The Jamaicans were the defending champions, while it was the first ever gold medal for Trinidad and Tobago. All right, that's pretty much the end of the contest. Fourth quarter out the way. We'll take a break. We'll be back to wrap it all up after this.